Hello, my name is Ms. Murphy, Caroline Murphy, and I am the new Tutorial Lab Manager on campus at LCC. And I'm just super excited about all the things that we have to offer in the Tutorial Lab to help support students, and I wanted to share that with you today. So I'm going to share my screen, and we are going to go through this brief presentation together. All right, so where are we located? We are located in the LAP building, which is next to Waller, in room 121. We have 8 computer stations that students and tutors could use for tutoring sessions only. But our mission is to serve and empower students and help them to reach their individual goals and celebrate great successes. We have lots of offerings in the tutorial lab, so we're trying to meet all students' needs and help them be successful. So we're going to learn more about all of the things that we offer, and all of the things that we offer are free. Free. So here we go. On-campus tutoring. Tutors are LCC students who have taken the same courses that you're enrolled in, but they have made an A or a B, and they have a GPA of 3.0 or higher. So these students are paid tutors. They've gone through training to help support you and your needs. We will have some drop-in hours that will be announced very shortly once all of our tutors are hired and schedules are ironed out. But we will especially have drop-in hours for paper edits to go over paper reviews, as well as math tutoring. You could also schedule one-on-one sessions or small group sessions based on the tutor's availability. Simply, if you're interested, just ask your instructor or stop by the tutorial lab and I'll help you. Virtual tutoring sessions are pretty much the same thing. This is an LCC student who has taken the same course that you have, made an A or B, but these are for students who would like to participate virtually in tutoring, maybe because you are an online student or you would choose not to come on campus for the lab. We can offer to meet you virtually in a Blackboard Collaborate session. So that is available as well by appointment. Net Tutor is something that the college offers outside of the students from LCC. These are students who these are people who have earned usually a master's or doctoral degree. They are in a state like I think it's Alabama, Georgia, somewhere down there, but they have specific hours. The Net Tutor link is in your Moodle account. At the top of every course, there's a green puzzle piece, and beside that green puzzle piece, it says something along the lines of need a tutor. If you click that link, it will take you to Net Tutor. Now, we request that you have a referral, like you have talked to your instructor or talked to me before you click that link, so that we can make sure the proper paperwork is in place. However, if you need help, just let us know or click that link. Net Tutor is also free, and they offer English and math support 24/7. So paper review options. We have a live paper review in Net Tutor, like I just mentioned. That's the green puzzle piece in your Moodle, and that is 24/7, and it is free. We have in-person paper review in the lab, so you would make an appointment and come review your paper side by side with the tutor. These tutors are trained and have expertise in grammar and linguistics. We also have virtual paper review with LCC students by appointment as well. So if you're not wanting to do side by side in the lab, you could also participate in a paper review session virtually. And also Grammarly, you have free access to Grammarly, and the LRC can help you access that. This is the virtual tutorial lab. Hopefully this is going to show up in your Moodle in the next few weeks. But this is a place for the online students to have a spot or a space for tutoring services. If you're not comfortable coming to campus or you're participating in courses online, this is a place that you can have all of the same things that we have in the lab online. Semesterly, I will publish a newsletter called Strategies for Success. Right now, this is working on being printed in the print shop, and this one is this semester, or the volume for this newsletter is all about tips for online learning. So that will be published, and it'll be published digitally here in the virtual lab, but it'll also be printed for copies in the tutorial lab on campus. If you are interested in becoming a tutor, you can get paid to be a tutor. Tutors get paid $9 an hour. This is a new hourly rate that we're super excited about. You must have an A or B in a course in which you desire to tutor, and your GPA must be 3.0 or higher. You can apply by coming to me and just requesting that I send you the link or application, or send me an email, or my extension is 972. The application does require a reference from an instructor, but that's something we take care of after the fact. If you have any questions about the tutorial lab, again, please contact me, Caroline Murphy. My extension is 972, or you can find me in the LAP building, room 121. And we are so very excited to help you this semester with all of your tutoring needs. Thank you.